Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an exciting process how to customize your very own mousepad. So, if you are ready to add a personal touch to your workspace, let's dive right in. The first step in this customization journey is selecting the perfect image. Choose one that resonates with you, something that inspires or reflects your personality. Once you have found the ideal image, it's time to bring it to life on your mousepad. Once your design is ready, it's time to transfer it onto the mousepad. Using a sublimation printer, carefully print your artwork onto a special sublimation paper. This printing technique ensures vibrant colors and exceptional image quality. Take your time to refine the design until you are completely satisfied. Experiment with different elements, colors, and layouts, allowing your creativity to flow freely. Remember, this is your chance to make something truly unique. Gently place the sublimation paper onto the mousepad, making sure it covers the entire surface area. Keep the mousepad under the heat press machine for approximately 1 minute. This time allows the sublimation process to work its magic, ensuring that your design becomes an integral part of the fabric. Look at this magnificent result. Your customized mousepad is now complete, ready to add a touch of personalization and inspiration to your workspace. It's a beautiful reflection of your unique style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to customize a mousepad. Remember, the possibilities are endless, so let your imagination soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more exciting and customization projects. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy customizing!